Lucy, get him. Get the bug. Get the bug. Get the bug. Get the bug. Get him. Get him, Lucy, get him. Go get him. Get the bug, Lucy, get the bug. Get him. Get the bug. So, my friends, this is what happens when your dog is introduced to cicada. I'm not sure if she's seen one yet, but she is highly fascinated with this particular one today for whatever reason. And it's quite adorable. Lucy, get the bug. Get the bug. Get him. Get him. Go, I zoomed in and I failed. Oh, there it is. See it moving in the grass there? Damn, the zoom is good on this phone. Lucy, get the bug. Lucy, get him. Get the bug. Get him. Get the bug. Get him. Alrighty then.